So it's boozy. Let's go shopping. Are we really doing this right now? First ingredient, Irish whiskey. And your next ingredient is, and this. This is a cocktail for the day after St. Patrick's Day. It's called the Paddy. See you next Tuesday. Or Irish. Grab something to drink out of. And one of those bottles you opened yesterday that doesn't have any cigarette butts in it. I'm gonna do some of that. Fuck. That sometimes happens. Don't worry about it. And whiskey, yeah. That is how you make an Irish cocktail.